Hi everyone, welcome to my trading recap. Today I am up $10,000, but I am cooked because I was trading all pre-market long. I was trading 4 a.m. I was trading 5 a.m. I didn't trade 6 a.m., which funny enough, 6 a.m. was this crazy mover, SLGB, which you would expect off of the OHAD to pull up an OHAD trade. The OHAD candle, they say, but your boy did not. I wasn't even trading it. I was not here. Honestly, you know what's funny? This candle, like I was watching it at $2, and I was like, okay, this is like crazy. This is crazy. Okay, let me just like take a quick lick. I took a lick, and I was like, okay, I don't want to be all stressed when I want to, like, you know what. And then I come back and it's like $12, but of course it was at that red candle when I was back, and I was so mad. Like, I don't know, not mad, but I was frustrated. I was like, oh man, like I would have caught something. But whatever, man. Still a solid day. I got a one trade here buying sub $2. I think somewhere in here, maybe. Yeah, this candle maybe, and I was selling at 205, which was a nice trade. I made like 500 or 600. But the day started at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. I was trading CCTG, got some nice trades on that one. This was insane. This was insane. This range was very clean. Then it broke out. Tried to capture some dips. I feel like yeah, I got some of that candle, or maybe this one. I can't remember. This day, man, it had so much in it, and I wasn't even trading the open. Honestly, I was like, I didn't want to trade the open because I had some lag. I did make some money at the open, but I was like, no, 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 no. I had crazy lag from Schwab, and I was like, no, no, okay, okay. Let me just lock in this day. And I was very frustrated because, as you guys can see, I gave back from highs of 16,000 all the way to 10.7, but can't win them all. At least I got 10K with me. So losing 6K is not that big of a deal. But yeah, which other ticker did I trade today? I traded, oh, this one was biggest winner of the day, ELPW. Man, this stock was insane. And funny enough, I didn't even capitalize on that move. I was mainly trading this, and I took some nice trades. I was buying this with like 18,000 shares, I feel like. And I sold immediately at 1.5, I feel like, if I remember correctly. And then I had some dips in here, had another big trade in here. And that stock alone I made like 5K, I think, just this stock. And yeah, 4 a.m. CHAI was pretty nice, but didn't capitalize as much. And it's funny because yesterday was just insane. I made 3,500 yesterday, but initially from pre-market and some market open trading, like I want to say I finished up the day at 11 a.m. So I was up 1,700 that time, and then INHD did this crazy move, and then I was like, ain't no way I'm not gymming right now. I was gymming at that time when it halted up, and I was like, ain't no way I'm staying here. And I came back. I was trading, I can't even remember the tickers. I lost money like at the power hour, and then I made money on CCTG after hours. This move was, oh my god, this was clean. This was pretty clean. And then there was another ticker, I can't even remember, but there was a lot of action, mainly because of INHD crazy runner. And also we got NPT yesterday, which was crazy. But oh my god, so many stocks today, so many stocks. AHMA today, AHMA did this move. Didn't even trade it like in here, and then but I actually lost money in here. I feel like, yeah, this candle, bro, bro. The range today was so crazy. I was buying 190, went into my favor, didn't sell anything, and then I blinked 2 times. I'm holding through the red because I was frustrated because I had a winner, and then all of a sudden it's a goddamn loser. So I was holding for a bit, and then it flushed even more, and I sold for like a $1,500 loss, something like that. We had GMEX, which was So volatile, man. Oh my god. This stock, man. Look at that. Look at that candle, man. Look at that. 20% up, 16% down. Reclaims. Pushes harder even more. And then, yeah, I feel like I tried to buy this and I got slammed in a lot of trades in here. Yeah, we also had JZXN, which was not bueno. I was in long, like, I want to say 9,000 shares on that candle. I sold $3 and then boom, it pops even harder. And I didn't catch anything. Then backside comes. I'm not trading those candles. I'm trading this candle and I'm getting slammed to the depths. So I made a lot of money on that candle, and then I lost all and a little more on that range. But it is what it is, man. Pretty frustrating, but whatever. What else? What else? What else? AZI, damn, this stock, bro. Where is it right now? Like there were so many tickers today that you don't even remember. I can't even remember. Like I forgot that this ticker went from $2 to $12 in 32 minutes. I honestly forgot about that ticker. So on this one, I made some money in here, but then after it like went crazy. I'm not as good trading those stocks with like 7, 8, 9, $10 per share. I'm not as good, but I did catch this. I was buying a 90, selling 9.5. So got this trade. But yeah, I mean, market is super duper super schmooper hot, baby. This market is insane. On the year, I'm up like 120, close to being a PR month, because PR month for me is March with 37. But this month should be a PR month. I'm already up 30K. And honestly, man, I should have finished at least with 13, 14K. But honestly, I tried to trade the open PAVS, man, another crazy runner. But I just couldn't. I had so many, like the lag was just insane for me. And honestly, I feel like it's just a me thing. Like I gotta sort it out, because maybe it's because of me being in the Jewland and I'm so far away from New York. So maybe that's the issue. But I don't know, man. I don't know. But it's crazy day, crazy day. And honestly, I came into this day with the mindset of me saying like, let's go, let's trade all day, let's do it, let's slam the buy, let's do everything. And I did. But decision fatigue came around because honestly, me being up 10K and then losing 6 is like, I don't know, I feel it, because decision fatigue. I was trading how many tickers? Like 1, 2, 3. I can't even count. I feel like it was somewhere between 15 and 20 different tickers. That's insane. So decision fatigue came, and then maybe that's why I lost a lot. But can't complain about a 10K day. Up 30K on the month. Holy, that's a lot of money for me. That's a lot of money for me. I feel like that's a lot of money for everyone. But yeah. And you know what's funny? Yeah, about yesterday, I told you I didn't make money like power hour, but after hours came and I I made money on a $40 stock, man. I was buying this and I was scaling all the way, all the way. Then I bought another time in here and then scaled all the way. But didn't want to overtrade it, and glad I didn't, because it flushed hard and now it's on a T12, baby. Holy crazy, 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 crazy. But yeah, this market is very hot. Let's hope for this momentum to continue. You will see in chat guys making a lot of money. It's hard to protect yourself from FOMO, because FOMO is within everyone, even the big guys. I feel like the big guys making 50, 70, 80K. Dash, this guy, bro. Charlo, Sky, everyone making crazy money. Even those guys have FOMO. Maybe that's why they're capitalizing a lot, because they are like, I gotta make a lot, I gotta make more, gotta make even more, gotta make even more. But I feel like they don't have anyone to compare themselves to. But yeah, they're still having FOMO. No one is really posting right now because it's very early. This guy Kitty is back from the depths. The community needs some explanations. You abandoned. How do you spell that? Abandoned. I don't know. No one will be watching this now. I can just rumble by myself. But yeah, fuck it. So yeah, that's the day for me. Thank you guys for watching. As you guys know, trading is risky. My results are not typical. Please manage your risk practice in the simulator and don't pull real money on the line. Don't do it.